and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 12. We would like to present an interview-based assignment from MSAB Entertainment Company. Before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my group member. My name is Aishatul Raza binti Hazlan and my matrix number 275437. Next, the second presenter is Aina Zulaika, followed by Muhammad Arif, and our last presenter is Aina Shafika. So, for my part, I will present about the background of event manager of MSAB Entertainment. First, I will start with his demographic information. As you can see in my left side, this is Mr. Muhammad Sobri Abu Bakar, or better known as DJ Putra. He is 41 years old, Malay, and his religion is Islam. His marital status is married and has a son. He is holding a position as founder at MSAB Entertainment, which is event manager and consultant. Next, I will present about background of service offered by MSAB Entertainment. So, as you can see from the slide, this is the service offered by MSAB Entertainment. Mr. Sobri has 10 years of expertise as an event organizer, 5 years of partnership with the firm Ryan Sound Production, RTS. RTS is well established and specialist in the rental and installation of sound and lighting equipment in Peninsular Malaysia. 5 years later, Mr. Sobri, also known as DJ Putra, operates independently for his own company. He has no background in event management. In 1998, he started working in the sector of event management. He began his career in the event industry as a DJ at a wedding and other small events. Then, he took further measures to transform his passion into a job by establishing an event management and event consultant company. This is known as MSAB Entertainment. As you can see, his company offers a variety of services including MC, DJ, moderator, audio and visual system, karaoke set, LED screen rental, photographer or videographer, sound and light system, canopy, printing, stage and truss, multi-camera production, MCP, live band, freelance singer, and artist. MSAB Entertainment always gives the best for its client and consistently exceed their expectation. On top of that, the MSAB Entertainment organizes up to 70 events annually, ranging in size from small to big. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Ashatul. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Aina Zulaika. My matric number is 281711. So now I will continue with general issue in event design. General issue in event design refer to the common challenge and difficulties faced by event planner and designer in creating successful and impactful event. As for this interview with Mr. Putra, he has highlighted 2 general issues for their business. The first one is climate crisis. Climate crisis refer to the ongoing and rapid change in the earth climate that causing negative impact on the planet and inhabited. Mr. Putra claimed that the climate disaster, similar to what occurred in 2019 when COVID-19 struck, has interfered with his business. As it just occurred when COVID-19 hit the world, Mr. Putra claimed that a crisis like this has an impact on his event. Most events were paralyzed as a result. Several had to shut down since they couldn't survive and couldn't roll over fund. The COVID-19 pandemic has a major impact on the event industry, leading to cancellation and postpone, as well as reduce the attendance and because of social distancing measure for event that took place. This result in some event design firm having to shut down, but other like Mr. Putra company, they were able to continue with support from the government fund. Event designers had to pivot their business models and adapt to virtual and hybrid event, requiring new skill in virtual event design and incorporating sustainability into their design. The pandemic has accelerated the trend toward sustainable event, and event designers had to adapt and evolve in response to the ongoing situation. Second generation issue that has been mentioned by Mr. Putra is dealing with unexpected issue, which is dealing with unforeseen problem in event design is a challenge that involves managing unexpected issue that may arise during planning and execution. This can include inclement weather weather, power outage, medical emergency, and equipment failure. A lack of clear plan and protocol communication and coordination, flexibility, and resources can make it difficult to effectively manage unexpected issues and minimize their impact. With the majority of events now being virtual due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is important to have a contingency plan in case of technical difficulty. Effective dealing with unforeseen problem in event design require clear plan, effective communication and coordination, flexibility, and sufficient resources. So that's all from me about general issue in event design. Now I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Muasari. My metric number is 275433. For the challenge, faced by DG Putra while venturing into the event field was outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia. According to him, his company business decreased by 60%. This is because the government forbid all to carry out outdoor activities, especially large number of people. From there, he could not run his business for almost a year. Even sadder, some customers asked for their deposit back because the government did not allow any ceremony at the time. Other than that, apart from the challenge of the COVID-19 pandemic, there are other challenges such as preparing food for event. The food is challenged because at the same point, it is not possible to certify all parties present and some of parties have allergic to the food. According to what Mr. DJ Putra was experienced, there was a day that the food prepared on the day of the ceremony was stale and could not be saved even a little. At the time, he was panicked because he did not know what to do next. But with a good team, they were able to solve the problem immediately. Moreover, he also stated that the real problem is running the event is the weather. Several times events run by Mr. D. Putra have been complicated by unpredictable weather conditions such as heavy rain or lightning strike. In condition, the ceremony was held in open place. With the challenge faced by Mr. D. Putra during his involvement in the event field, the most extreme challenge according to him was when Malaysia hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, Arif Azhar. My name is Aina Syafiqah binti Muhammad Ayuf and my metric number is 275542. Now, I will continue the presentation with the methods to overcome these challenges. There are two methods that highlighted by Mr. Putra, which are include the food preparation and quality and the time management. Among all the challenges that have been associated with event design and production, Mr. Putra has highlighted that food preparation is the most crucial part when you are handling events. According to him, food is very important because it involves the head of the crew as well as the visitors who come to the event. Among all the elements in event design and production, Mr. Putra is very worried if it is related to food supply. He has been highlighted a few methods to overcome the challenge regarding the food preparation, include to always aware with the food preparation and quality. As an event manager or event coordinator, we need to ensure that the food supply is sensitive to the cleanliness of the food supply. Suppliers need to ensure that each food package is in condition and safe before being served during the event. Event coordinator also need to ensure that the food packages are not contaminated during the event and constantly monitor the cleanliness. Things related to the food seems trivial and easy, but they are required more attention than other things. Other than that, to ensure that the quality of food supply is maintained, we need to do a background check on the potential vendors. According to Mr. Putra, they usually will get food supplies for the event only from the trusted vendor. The trusted vendor meant by Mr. Putra are the same vendors who have been trusted several times to supply food for the events managed by Mr. Putra. However, using the same vendor does not guarantee that the quality of food will always be maintained. Therefore, we need to find a backup plan and contact some other vendor for precautionary measures. We can also use local vendors instead of using vendors outside of the area to ensure that the quality of food is maintained. Proceed to the second method, which is time management. Time management is very crucial when planning any events. According to Mr. Putra, time management gives a big impact when make preparation for events. Time management is not only limited to preparation before the event, but food management, decoration, rehearsals, and others that involve event design and production require strategic time management. Mr. Putra also shares his experience in handling events where he experienced difficulties while managing the event due to poor time management. Since then, Mr. Putra is very concerned about the time management in any matter when planning an event, especially in event design and production. Hence, every manager needs to be aware of the importance of the time in organizing an event. In event design and production, accuracy is highly emphasized. With good time planning, all preparation can be done carefully and give satisfaction to the visitors who come to our event. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Aina, for the explanation. So we come up with the conclusion and recommendation. To sum up, the interview with Mr. Putra suggests that expertise in event management is crucial for a successful career in this field. Moreover, always deliver the greatest possible service in light of customers' expectation. Every event manager must understand the significance of time in event planning. In event planning and production, great emphasis is placed on precision. All preparation may be made properly and to the delight of those who attend our event if we arrange our time effectively. For the recommendation, create a planned to-do list followed by a daily to-do list for time management. To move the project forward, include tasks that must be accomplished that day on the list. A to-do list also helps event manager to concentrate and avoid being sidetracked by anything else on their list. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching. Bye!